I'm over here talking really slow like I don't have to be out in 20 minutes. Look at my bun, look at my bun, look at my bun, look at the bun. Are you guys feeling my bun? Because my edges, my baby hairs. My friends are crazy as heck. Like, she really just called me to tell me, let's go to brunch. I'm on my way. We just kind of like filmed a quick little get ready with me. My hair is still wet. It's dripping wet because obviously this was random as hell. So this is what I came up with, and this is like a cute, simple makeup, no makeup look. I know I went crazy with the blush, but my face is really red in its natural state most of the time, so it really depends on, you know, the person. But if you guys want to know, you know, or want to see how I did this, what? If you guys want to see how I pull this all together, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So I'm starting with freshly washed hair, and I'm going in with the Eco Styler leave-in conditioner, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my head. This avocado hair milk by Miel. I think that's how you say it. And I'm just gonna apply that generously all over my hair, just like I did with the leave-in. And I'm gonna make sure I get, like, you know, my edges and stuff like that, the ends, um, like so. Then I'm going in with this wide tooth comb, and I'm just combing my hair upward in the shape of the bun. I'm using this Eco Styler black castor oil and flaxseed gel, and I'm applying that on my roots and edges and the back of my hair, you know, to smooth it down. And I'm taking this brush, and I'm just gonna brush it up so that it could look, you know, slick down. You know what I mean? This brush is giving my hair waves, but it's okay because my hair is still wet. I'm taking this ribbon or whatever scrunchie that you have and you use to tie your hair with, and I'm just using that, you know, to make a tight bun, like so. And your hair should look like this. And now I'm just kind of taking the long parts, and I'm wrapping it around the hair, and I'm just gonna be bobby pinning pretty much the whole time, you know, forming the shape of the bun that I want. You know, the pieces, all the little pieces that are sticking out, I'm just gonna take those and just, you know, bobby pin them so that it would look really neat. And the bun is done. Now I wanted to accessorize it a bit because I'm very extra, so I'm using those little braid I don't know, braid clips, I don't know what they're called, and I'm just applying that all over the bun, which made it look really, like, you know, cute. um I'm just quickly gonna show you guys how I did my baby hair. Like, if you guys want a tutorial on that, let me know, I'll do it. But I didn't want to waste time showing you guys that, since this is like a hair and makeup. And when I'm all done with my baby hairs, I'm taking this scarf and I'm just wrapping it just so that my baby hair can stay down. I'm gonna use my Mario Badescu skincare. I'm just spraying that on. I'm taking my Nivea I'm taking my Nivea Men Post Shave Balm, whatever. You guys know the drill right now. Like, you guys know. So normally on my this is makeup no makeup. So I'm honestly, you know, I'm gonna leave all the products in the description box. This is not really a tutorial. It's kind of more like a get ready with me. And I'm just showing you guys what I'm not going to do. I honestly like my skin looks amazing, and I'm having trouble like sleeping at night, and like my dark circles are coming out like crazy. So I don't know. I don't know what to do. I've tried the almond oil under my eyes and stuff. It started working, but I kind of like even I would put it on my under my eyes, and I would not end up asleep. So like it would be a mess, and then I don't know if it's because I put too much of it, but like it gets in my eye. It doesn't burn, but it feels weird. So it's a whole mess. But this is all I do really to my brows in this 24-hour brow setter. And let me tell you, I'm in love with Benefit. So I've been using a lot of Benefit product on my eyebrows, and I have this one that I've been using, and I feel like it's this one. I've been using this dip condition. What is this? Bravo conditioning primer. I don't know what they put in this, but my eyebrows been growing way like faster than usual. So I guess you guys could use that and some castor oil to grow your stuff. But I don't know. I barely use it now because my brows like It's been helping me. This one. It's been helping me with my dark circles also, but it's an oil again. Um, I'm gonna be trying. What's it called? I'm gonna be trying this vitamin E that everybody's been telling me to use on my eyebrows and my face and everywhere. Since I'm gonna be using concealer, I'm gonna just use my, what is this, Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and I put a little bit of that oil on the red one because I just put a little oil on this so it would be easier to come off. And I'm just gonna put that under where my little black spots are, and that will help with me, you know, not using concealer and stuff, because I still want my makeup to look natural. And I'm using my finger mostly like this. See? And you can apply this like where your dark little spots are. So I've been in the sun lately a lot, and I've been getting a lot of like little freckles all over my face, which is like funny because if you know me, you know like I really love freckles. I'm just gonna use my strobe cream, and I can take this scarf off now because so don't worry about it getting onto your the red spot. It's not really gonna do nothing to it. It's just gonna make it glow. That's it. And you know, for my no makeup look, I either use foundation or use concealer, and today I decided to use foundation because ta-da! I got my Fenty the other day, and I've been using it nonstop because I'm obsessed. So, and a little goes a long way with this, surprisingly. It gives me this nice little whatchamacallit, this natural flawless finish, which I'm like absolutely in love with, because most of the foundations I be using, like, they're good. Like the drugstore ones are great for my skin. I like those more. And they've been giving me like a little cakey like look at the end of the day. But for me, this foundation right here, it's the same thing as my skin tone, and it kind of like blur out my dark spots, which is a really, really, really natural look to me. So I'm gonna be using that. I can use this foundation every day. It really depends on your skin. If your skin is nice, you know, naturally you have no spots, then go ahead, be my guest, use concealer. But you know, breakouts and a lot of dark spots, and you just go one day and you're like, oh, I want to do a natural no makeup look, but all those scars are gone overnight. That is weird to everybody. So like I said, this is our real like makeup no makeup. We're not even gonna be using any falsies. So yeah, so to set all of that, I'm using my little allure mercier thingy majiggy and just applying it. So then I'm just gonna use some bronzer, you know. I'm gonna use this one right here. So I'm done with this. I'm not even gonna apply like nothing crazy. So I'm going in with some blush. No, it's kind of like cold. I don't know if it's just me, but I love to apply like blush all over my face when I'm doing like this look, because I think it's so like natural to me that okay. So now take some mascara. My face, so I'm gonna be adding those by I don't even know where I put